This video covers installation and assembly of the Switchback landing kit. Start with the 6-pocket ramp platform and the first top run of the ramp system assembled. Make sure the parts required for assembly of the Switchback landing are prepared for installation. Lean the female 4-pocket switchback platform up against the previous ramp run. Install the 4-pocket platform legs. Clip the assembled 4-pocket platform onto the male clip of the previously installed ramp section. Allow the platform to pivot down and stand on its legs. Position the 4-pocket platform so that it is spaced 4 inches past the outside of both of the previous ramp section's outer leg pockets. Check and level the 4-pocket platform. Install legs and assemble the 6-pocket ramp platform used in this switchback landing. Place the 6-pocket platform next to the 4-pocket platform so that the male clip on the 6-pocket platform faces in the direction that the second ramp run should fall. Check and level the 6-pocket platform. Use the included sets of bolts, nuts, and washers to fasten the 4-pocket and 6-pocket switchback platforms together. Install the second run of this ramp system. Install the cover posts over the tops of the platform legs in the positions required by your ramp system's layout. Install the picket guards to the switchback landing and the second ramp run. After the second ramp run's inside inner handrails have been installed, install the inner handrail continuous adapter used with your ramp layout. After the second ramp run's outside inner rails have all been installed except for the top handrail, install the 1-loop, 1-bracket inner handrail on the top outside of the ramp's second run. Install the 2-bracket small loop inner rail to the bottom outside of the first ramp run. Install the inner handrails needed for the first ramp run of this ramp system. Make sure to tighten all bolts to 50 foot-pounds.